I'm going to start with a heart shape, and that's going to be the wings. And then I'm going to separate it in the center, like that. Now to make the tail, I'm going to make one loop here, and then I'm going to make 2 loops on each side. Like that. Now come up here, and if you sort of go like that first, you'll see how big you want to make the circle. So I'm going to make the circle that large, and then I'm going to connect it, and then I'm going to make the beak and the eye. So he's looking to the side. Now I'm going to make a branch for him to be standing on. And I'm going to add some more branches. And on this side, I'll put a few branches as well. You can put as many as you like. Like that. And then you can just make some little twiggy branches. For the branches, I'm just going to make these little wiggly lines like this. I'm going to fill in all the branches with these wiggly lines. And I'm going to do cross hatches and swirls in here. And a swirl is like the number 6, but you just add a little extra swirl. So I'm just going to do that on this one, that one, and that one. And I'm going to do a cross hatch. On the wings, I'm going to just fill it with hearts. Just big hearts and little hearts. And then I'm going to put little circles to fill in. Polka dots all over the head. Color the beak in black. Some little squares here, wavy lines. I'm going to add a bolder line just inside the first line. And then I'm just going to do some little slanted lines. I'm going to add some berries. More dots. And in some of these hearts, I'm just going to add some design. So I'll put swirls in here. And maybe some little dots here. X's. Crosshatch. Zigzags. just a second heart inside this one. And now we can just finish the picture with swirls anywhere where you'd like to fill it in. And now I'm just going to fill in any empty spaces with little flowers. So just these kind of flowers. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be 4 or 5. So here's a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blacken a line down the center. Outline my outside lines. Like that. And there you go. That's how you can draw a bird on a branch coloring page. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.